Welcome back again to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're gonna make some raspberry dome mousse tart, and also we're gonna make some cookies. I want you to stay tuned because this is gonna be very excited. Don't go anywhere. So what I'm gonna do, the dough is kind of very I could roll it in a machine, but I'm not gonna roll it in a machine. I'm just gonna roll it by. Cut this out. So that's gonna be basically the base. That's sitting on top here. We're gonna cut out the line for inside because you don't want to move this. You want to let it stay there because that's the base. Spray it a little bit so it doesn't like stick. See what I mean? Okay. And if there is any problem, you can go from there. Always make two. I'm just gonna take this out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna set this, do it so you can see it. You're gonna set this in here. As you can see, I give myself a little room. And then turn this all the way. Then you're gonna sit the knife in there and you're gonna cut it right there. See? You're gonna push with your finger and basically just seal it. You're gonna turn the sheet pan, seal it, and then you're gonna cut the accessory off around, cut the lip off, call it the lip. So that's gonna be basically a crust. Okay. And you're gonna push with your finger, or you can use a knife because a knife is a lot more so those are going to be a corner, so it already stuck in there. And then you're going to bake these off at 3. So welcome. This is the final stage of the raspberry tart, and we're going to put everything together today. So I have this mousse that I'm gonna place on the top of this. So I am going to start off with, as you can see, this is a tart that we bake, and this is the shape of the ring that I have, and I baked it, and it comes out very perfect. As you can see, it's inside, and it's the same size of the rings, and it's just like perfect that what we need, what we're looking for. So let's get started. I set up basically my base. So I have the mirror glaze right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place this on top right here, and then this is a glaze, the mirror glaze. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour the mirror glaze on it. So basically that's a glaze. That's a mirror glaze. And that's gonna be basically the glaze that we're gonna glaze it with. It's frozen, so once it touch it, it's gonna basically, it's gonna set. So that's a glaze. So what I'm gonna do is, get this out of the way a little bit. So this is the mousse, raspberry mousse. Okay. That's the mousse. Set this aside. So what we're gonna do is get this flush. I like to get my mousse all flush on the top. Then a spatula, clean this off. So in the meantime, we're gonna basically decorate this right here, okay? Okay, so these are what we're gonna use and garnish our tart with. We're gonna place it right here, right there. And we're gonna garnish our beautiful raspberry. This one's messed up. And garnish these with it. It's very easy once you using these sunflower petals. You just basically put it right to the side, and it will stick. Just like that. Okay. So for the finishing, what we're gonna do is we have this row, nice flowers again. We're gonna decorate. We're gonna decorate it just like this. We're gonna find a nice one, nice full one, and decorate it. Right where that center was, this is what we're gonna use. Actually, we're gonna get it a little smaller, so we're gonna have to cut it. Okay. So the next step, what we're gonna do is basically these cookies, we're gonna decorate these cookies, but I'm gonna finish with this. Top it off with some gold. Just like that. And we're gonna garnish our beautiful cookies that we made. We're not gonna leave these out, okay? We're gonna push this aside for a second, and we're gonna garnish these. We're gonna make two types. We're gonna make this one, and we're gonna make this one, okay? Let's go with the prettier ones. Let's start with this first. There we go. And for this one, there's a little trick in this, okay? Always a little trick. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna powder sugar. We're gonna dust the powdered sugar over this, just like that. Very nicely, okay? the remainder right here. And we're gonna take this. Actually, we're gonna go bigger. This one we can go over this. We're gonna match it up all the way. And these are some nice, beautiful cookies. We're gonna garnish it on the plate just like that. This one, we're gonna basically go around a little bit more. This we're gonna place right over the top just like that. So this is the final stage of my raspberry mousse tart, and it is beautiful. And that's the cookies that I did, and I also have raspberry cookies, and also I have some meringue garnish on my dessert. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching and taking the time out to watching this video. I want to say please like and share and subscribe. And this is the final stage. I'm looking forward to put out more video. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. All right. Peace.